Yes, good morning everyone. After the long intervals, I am here now and few more lessons is left. 3 lessons. Playing with number and I think parallelograms and the pie chart. These 3 lessons before your half-yearly examinations I am going to finish. Today I am going to consider a chapter, the first one, the playing with number. Here you are finding that I have written here the playing with number. Now about the playing with number, one thing I am telling you that this playing with number, it is actually not going to obey some rules, or yet it is not having any formulas. Yes, few questions are there which we will have to solve by hit and try method. Okay, no formulas rather are there. But then also few things you should know before solving these particular things. Yes, that particular things I have written on this board, that test of divisibility. Test of divisibility I have written here. Yes, this particular rules, it has been written in your book also, but then also I am going to explain one by one. First of all, I am going to discuss that if a number is divisible by 2 or not. In that case, obviously you know very well that any even number is divisible by 2. That is a number which is ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2. And then divisible by 3. You know very well that if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then it will be divisible by 3. As for example, suppose if I am going to consider that 123, 1, 2, 3. So here 1 plus 2 plus 3, 3, 2, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so 123 definitely will be divisible by 3. Now divisibility by 4. If the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Should not consider that it is 4 means any even number is going to divisible by 4. Say as for example 12, obviously 12 is divisible by 4. But 14, it is an even number, it is not divisible by 4. If last 2 digits is divisible by 12, is divisible by 4, then complete numbers will be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then it is divisible by 4. 5. If a number is ending with 0 or 5, then it will be divisible by 5. Okay. Now 6. Divisible by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it will be divisible by 6. When a number is divisible by 2, if it is even. When a number is divisible by 3, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then it will be divisible by 3. If it is something like that, then it will be divisible by 6. If it is divisible by 2 and 3, then this number is divisible by 6 also. Divisible by 8. The last 3 digits, if it is divisible by 8, then it is divisible by 8. Last 3 digits. As for example, suppose if I am going to consider 5, 7, 8, 3, 2. If 832 is divisible by 8, then it will be divisible by 8. Here I am finding that it is divisible. 8 ones are 8, 0, 8, 4 8s are 32. So the complete number, definitely complete number, is divisible by 8. Divisible by 10. If a number is ending with only 0, it will be divisible by 10. That I have not written. And divisible by 7, it is also a very important one. What is that? Divisible by 7 means, first of all, you have to twice the unit figure, 4. Now this particular, that I have not written here, that particular number 5, 7, 8, 3, 2 minus 4, it is coming as minus 4. Anyway, not this number. I am not going to consider this number. Suppose if a number is there, say suppose 67. Now twice the unit. This is not very much practical things. this is not a very much practical thing because 67 and minus twice the unit digits, that is 40, 2 into 7. Now this one will be equal to 53. 572, 53. 53. And this 53 is not divisible by 7. So naturally it will not be divisible by 7. Now the question is that why it is not that much practicable? Because suppose if it is 1, 2, 3, 5, 2. Okay. Now if we are going to subtract 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2. If I am going to subtract this one from twice the unit figure, that is 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. If this number is divisible by 7, then this number also will be divisible by 7. Again, the problem has raised that if it is divisible by 7 or not. In that case, again, you will have to do the same rule. It is quite hectic. So, 7 divisibility, not proper things is there. So, by the way, I think it is very clear that if a number is divisible by 2, when the number is ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If a number, sum of the digits, if it is divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. 4, if the last two digits is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. 8, if the last three digits, 4 and 8, if the last three digits is divisible by 8, then the complete number will be divisible by 8. 5, if the number is ending with 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. 6, if it is divisible by 2 and 3, it will be divisible by 6. So this is actually the thing. Now, on this particular things, I am going to solve now few questions. Not on this particular things. Now I am going to finish, rather you can say, this chapter. No techniques are there. Only your common sense. Okay. Obviously, the first exercise, some techniques will require. It is based on the linear equations. Say suppose the first exercise is something like this. Say suppose I am going to solve one question from exercise 5A, question number 2. 5A. Question number 2. What it says that if in a two-digit number, the digits at the unit place is double the digits at the 10th place. The number exceeds the sum of the digits by 18. Listen, suppose if a two digits, this particular things I have explained in standard 7 also. Suppose 29 a two digits number. This one is known as unit digits. This one is known as the tens digit. Why it is tens? Why it is unit? Because 29 you can write as 10 into 2 plus 1 into 9 will be equal to 29. Because with 2 I am multiplying with tens, that's why tens digits, and with 9 we are multiplying by ones, that is why it is unit digits. Now, based on this I am going to solve this particular question. Whenever a two digits questions you will find, you have to write this information first. Let unit digits, unit digit is equal to x and tens digit is equal to y. Therefore, the number is 10y plus x. Now, according to question, this particular 3 lines compulsorily you have to write for the two digits number. Now, what it says, the digits at the unit place is twice the digits at the 10th place. So, according to question, digits at the unit place is twice the digits at the 10th place. Finish. Now, then afterward, the number exceeds the sum of the digits by 18. What is the number? 10y plus x. 10y plus x. This number exceeds more than the sum of the digits. By how much? By how much? It is given 18. So from these two equations, you have to find the value of x and y. Okay, let us proceed. Now, therefore, 10y plus x is equal to 2y. So write here 2y, x is equal to 2y, minus x is equal to 2y, plus y is equal to 80. So write here the reason from 1. Okay? And therefore you can say 10y plus 2y minus 2y, minus 3y rather, you can say 2y plus y is 3y, which is equal to 18. So therefore 10y plus 2y, 12y, 12y minus 3y is equal to 9y, is equal to 18. So y is equal to 9 2s are 18. X and y always should be a single digit figure. It should not be negative or it should not be a fractions, because digit it is. Right? So x is equal to y equal to 2. If y equal to 2, then x is equal to how much? 2 into y is equal to 2 into y is 2, which is equal to 4. Therefore, the number is 10 into y. Y is 2 plus x is 4. 4. Okay. I am writing this side. 10 into y. Y is 2, x is 4, which is equal to 24 answer. Now, unique figure is twice the tens figure. 2 into 2 is 4. And sum of the digits is 6. 24 minus 6. How much? 18. So therefore it is satisfying this equation. So no need to verify the answer. The answer is correct. Right? So this way you can solve this type of questions. Now divisibility chapter is there, that already I have explained. And then afterward one more exercise it is there, exercise 5C. Exercise 5C, I am going to solve one or two questions. This particular group of questions may possible to come in objective type questions. Divisibility, I have not actually considered any questions here. Suppose exercise 5C. Exercise 5C. Questions number 1. 5A. What the opportunity is here? Plus sign. Okay. First of all, listen again. 7 plus 1, 8. 3 is coming. It should be 8. With 1 it is not coming. 2. 7 plus 2, 9. No. 3. 7 plus 3, 10. No. 7 plus 4, 11. No. 7 plus 5, 12. No. 7 plus 6. A may possible to come as 6. A may possible to come as 6. If A is 6, then 6 plus 7, 13. Carries 1. Carries 1. And then in that case it is coming 15, no? Carries 1, 15. 15, this is 5, this is 1. So therefore B is equal to, A is equal to 6, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 1. And that will be the answer. This way you will have to proceed. Right? One more question I am going to solve. The question is, I told you that this question is completely based on heat and dry method. Okay. The question is that AB 7 AB into BA is equal, if we multiply, then it should come as B plus 1 C and B. Whatever the things is here, the same things should come here. Okay, so naturally whatever the things is here, the same will come here only when A is 1. So one thing it is quite being clear that A should be is equal to 1. So if A is here 1, then it is 1, B, B, 1, and after multiplication B is coming. Question is, what is that B? Okay, and then it will be b plus 1 into c should be here. Now what is that b? So again you have to use heat and try method. So first of all consider b as 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. How much it is coming? 2 ones are 2, 1, 2 twos are 4, 1, then 2, 5, 1. No, it is b is I have considered 2. 2 means yes 1 plus 1. B plus 1, it is coming as 1. So it is not appropriate. It is not appropriate. Right? So with 2 it will not be there. Like that way you have to try one by one. Now suppose if it is 3. 1, 3, 3, 1. 3 ones are 3, obviously B has come. Then 1, then 9, then 1, then 3, 9 plus 1 is 10, carry is 1, 2. Okay, 2. So it is a B plus 1. B I have considered as 3. 3 plus 1, it should be 4. No, 3 is not B. Like that way, you will have to proceed with B is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3. 3. Just a minute. 1, 3, 3, 1. 3 ones are 3, 1, multiply by, it is multiplications. It is multiplications. Then 3 3s are 9, 3 ones are 3. How much it is coming? 3, 9 plus 1, 10 is 4, 403. Yes, it is 403. I have taken the wrong multiplication there. And this 4 you can write as 3 plus 1, B plus 1. So naturally, B is coming as 3. And what is C here? 0. So this way only you will have to try this type of question. Okay, similar type of questions you will find. And one more thing I am telling you, one thing I am finding, take 10 numbers as shown in the figure. Fibonacci series. What is Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series is nothing but 1. 1. Sum of the two digits. 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 14. So this one is known as Fibonacci series. Okay. By the way, and then afterward few quiz type question it is there. So that much it is sufficient. So these things you will have to take the practice. Obviously from my side no more ideas is possible to share with you. Okay, so this is for playing with number.